Hi everybody, it's Cindy the Scrapologist. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I'm doing a little bit of crafting today. I'm working on a junk journal, which I haven't been able to work on. I've been doing nothing but orders for the past month, and so I'm kind of enjoying just creating something new today. And so I thought I would just video what I'm doing, and maybe it will give you some ideas. So I took a book that I got at the thrift store that I actually just finished reading, and it was okay. But it's a hardcover and it's the perfect size for a journal and it has a rounded spine. So what I did was I covered it with faux leather. I was kind of in the mood for making a scrapbook album, a mini album, but um, yeah, a bunch of things happened and I wasn't able to do that. Long story. But one of the signature things that I do on my mini albums is I love to cover the spines with faux leather. So that was my little foray into scrapbook album, mini album making today. I did cover it with faux leather and it wraps around the inside. I still have to reinforce the inside. There are a ton of videos out there on how to dress up your cover and alter a book, so I'm not going to go into that. I'm just going to show you what I'm doing today. So I had a whole bunch of different ideas. I thought, well, I'll take what I normally do with a mini album is then I'll take a piece of scrapbook paper and I will put it on top and then decorate the top. And so this was one piece of paper that I was thinking about, but then I was also working on, my pages are all ready to go. I was also working on putting together, I have this kit in my shop. It's a digital kit. And I've been experimenting with different ways to print on tissue paper. And I think I almost have it perfected. As you can see, sometimes, depending on how you adhere it and how it goes through your printer, it doesn't always work out so great. This was a first trial. It's upside down. But I think I figured it out. And so soon I will be offering this collection and a couple of more that I'm working on as tissue paper kits in my shop, where you can print this kit's already there. You can print it onto tissue paper yourself, or if you don't want to go through all the experimentation like I did to get it look nice or use all the ink, I will print it and send it to you. So I was playing around with this and I thought, I love working with tissue paper. It's my new favorite thing. I'm sure something else will come along to tickle my fancy, but right now it's my new favorite thing. And I could print these a little bigger and have a tissue paper cover. So that's what I decided to do. I'll just flip through really quickly what's in that kit. I forget the name of it right now. Still a little tired, so my brain's not fully functioning yet. These are just fun patterns to use. I guess maybe they're all upside down. And some ladies' fashions. I've shown this before. Here's a collage that I made, and another collage that I made. There's also some vintage book print in the kit. I love, love, love using this as tissue paper. It looks so great in junk journals. But I've got this one too, and I think that this would look really cool as tissue paper on the book. So I'm going to give that a try. This is still stuck on the piece of paper. Let me just give it a little cut here. A little trim to get it off the paper. Oops. Whoopsie. Okay. I totally destroyed it. Destroyed the edges, but that's okay, because I'm going this way with it. So, just get some glue, and I know I definitely need a new paintbrush, because this one is way too big, and it's so stiff now. But it's one of those things I never think of when I'm out shopping. it's going on a little messy, but I don't care. It's still going to look good. And I probably shouldn't have gotten any glue on the faux leather there. I should have been a little more careful, but what I can always do is put something. I like to cover up the edge sometimes with a piece of ribbon, so I'll probably do that anyway. So let's just put this on. I do like to overlap the faux leather just a little bit to give it, a nice clean edge. Get my brayer. So I'm starting to come out of my funk a little bit. If you've been following me, you know that I really overextended myself with some music performances this winter and really exhausted myself. And it's taking me quite a while to get my energy back. And my hands are still killing me, but I need this for my mind, so whether my hands are screaming at me or not, I'm doing it. Oh, look what I just did. I'm going to have to put something there. See, I do dumb things when I'm tired, too. But I'm gonna still decorate the cover anyway, even though I have tissue paper on here. So let me just take a little piece from here. I'll just put it on there. But I'm still going to put some trim on here. I'm going to put some embellishments on top, so it's okay if it's not perfect. Oops, there's another little there. And I do want to wrap this around a little bit. Uh-oh. Where did this blob of glue come from? I'm telling you, I am out of it. I'm walking through the house banging into things and just I can't even decide what I want for dinner every night. I mean, I am that exhausted. I never ever again will I overextend myself like that. Of course, I've said that many times in my life, and then some really super exciting gig comes along and I say, yeah, okay, just this once. And so this past gig was an opportunity to work at a School of Performing Arts, and it's just exciting for me to work with up and comings, to work with students and musicians who are learning all about the theater, because I have a Broadway background. I'm from New York, and I love the theater, absolutely love it, and it's just nice to be around young people too. It's very enjoyable. So I took the opportunity and I don't regret it. I just regret that that it just ended up being way more hours than what I thought. Way more long hours. And I kind of neglected my shop a little bit. I purposely didn't do any videos or anything like that because I have a hard time keeping up with orders as it is. And I knew that I wouldn't be able to keep up. Sorry, I'm off camera. So hopefully I don't sound like I'm whining. Just chatting about my life, that's all. We're all super busy. I know that you can all understand. But see, in this case, I really can't complain too badly because it was self-inflicted. It's not something I had to do. And I have a rehearsal tonight at the opera house, but that's local. And that's a fun community theater thing. It's not tiring at all. Okay. There. I like the way that looks. I like that a lot. I'm going to have to print another piece for the back. Yeah, and I did get a little too much glue on here, so what I'll probably do, I don't have a, let's see, hold on. I do this a lot with my mini albums because I just like the look of it, but I'll probably take something like this, piece of trim. This one might be a little too big, I don't know. No, actually I like that. And put that right there. That's probably what I will do. Or maybe not. I don't know how much of the leather I want to cover up. Yeah, but I got this at Hobby Lobby, and isn't it fabulous? I love it. It was on sale, 50% off. And I wish I'd gotten more, but I think they were almost out of this. But I will be using it all. Yeah, Hobby Lobby. Okay, that's really all I have energy for today, believe it or not. I just wanted to show you quickly another fun technique with tissue paper. And I'll probably come back and show you the final album. Well, I will come back and show you the final junk journal when I'm done with it. So thank you for hanging out with me for a few minutes. And hopefully the next time I see you, I won't be rambling and complaining and tired and all those things. I'll be back to my normal cheerful self. Okay. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.